After months of traveling around Southeast Asia, I finally got myself a nice base here in Cebu City. We also have a very nice swimming pool here at the condo. But today, instead of heading to a place like IT Park where all the tourists go, I want to go explore places where the ordinary people actually live. Show you a different side to Cebu. Here we have the fresh coconut juice. Can I have one of the coconut milk? The small one. 25? Yesterday I paid 20. 20 peso. 20, yeah, 20. 20. Yeah, I buy for you.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yes, brother.
Wait. Oh,
Sorry, keep it.
oh, thank you.
Yeah, brother.
Hey, vlogging.
Thank you. Yeah, vlogging.
Hey.
Say hello for the vlog. Woo.
Oh, shout out. Shout out. Hi.
Yeah, keep the change. Fuck it. Very hot today in Cebu City. We're slowly entering the typhoon season, so the humidity is increasing, but it's also getting very windy. High chances of rain, heavy rain. You stay around the IT Park area, it's just a big concrete jungle, high-rise buildings, offices. But around here, it's a lot more residential. It has more soul, you know. IT Park has no soul. All the tricycle guys lined up waiting for customers. They just chill and sleep on their tricycles. Vlogger, yeah, well, aspiring vlogger. Just enjoying Cebu. What is this?
Market.
Yeah, what is it?
There.
Red horse. Oh, fuck yeah, red horse.
Okay.
Yeah, you ready? Feed me.
Okay.
Whoa. Well, you know, I thought I'm gonna have a drink with these locals. I like them. They're heck strong, yeah, man. In the UK, it's not this strong. Andy Horgan, yeah. Yeah, make sure you subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. This is the best way to get subscribers. Just come and get them in the flesh. Buy some beer, they will subscribe. Easy. I'm showing them some UK music in the ends, drinking some Red Horse. Everyone out of rhyme, that's on the line. Pass me the I'll be elastic for time and fat Louis like I'm rest of the lines. Sometimes I have to remind everyone's back to the time. Here we have the rain. The rain. It's raining. Welcome to the rain season.
Thank you.
My brother, thank you so much, yeah. Nice to meet you. I'm gonna come back.
Yeah, come back soon.
Yeah, I'm gonna come back.
Bisa pa, ada ka na ko, safety ka.
Pleasure to meet you, brother.
You okay?
I'm okay, man. I'm okay. Don't worry. The best way to connect with people, the local people, is share a glass of beer and just talk shit, you know, in broken English. I love it. What's up? Maybe I should take some shelter.
Hey, Joe.
Oh, it's raining.
Oh, it's raining. Let's go.
Let's go. You going? Where are you going? The cemetery. Bye. Barangay Guadalupe. Where is it?
Hey, hi.
What's up? Say hello to the vlog. Yeah, so, you're gonna take me to a residential area, yeah?
Thank you, sir.
Because I'm walking around like a lost puppy. I can't find shit. He's not gonna kill me, right? Let's go. What's your name, man?
Raymar, sir. Raymar.
Raymar. Okay. See, this is what I'm looking for. The real residential Cebu.
From UK.
What's up?
Stop. Parinatski, hi, go. Parinatski.
Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up?
What's up? Where you from, bro?
Gang shit, bro. UK.
Yeah.
What's up, brother? What's your name, bro?
Welcome to Cebu.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
My name is Ahad.
Ahad.
Ahad, boy.
You're a gangster, man. Filipino gangster, bro. Don't fuck with this guy. He's gangster. Yo, what's up? So what is the name of this area?
Tugasan, sir. Tugasan.
Tugasan. Yeah, we're gonna keep moving. I like snooker. Billiards. Yeah, stop here. What's up, boy? Stop for a second. Yo, what's up? What's up, brother? Show me. Look at slam dunk. Slam dunk, bro. Hey. Nice. Here we have Cebu City in the distance. And when you're down in the sea, you can look up at these mountains with the nice villages.
Nice view, sir.
It's a beautiful view.
Sana was with you, no?
Yeah, what's up?
I'll take you another.
Yeah, we come back. Alright, let's go, boys.
Okay, here, sir.
Yeah, wow, look at it.
Hello.
What's up, brother? What's your name, bro? You good? Donkey. What's up?
What's up, bro?
What's up, man? We're getting higher up into the mountains. And one thing you can always count on,
Where are you going,
they're still playing basketball. Let me have a go. I'm so bad, man.
Say hi, say hi,
Hello. Go walking to school, man. It's a long walk to the school. Yeah, man. See you. Got my own official tour guide. Let's go, brother. So steep. Oh my god, my ass is going, man.
Yeah. Person, hi.
Thank you, brother. Yeah, next time. Cool guys, man. They just showed me around the local neighborhood up there. Pleasure. See you next time, yeah? Let's find somewhere to eat. Get some local Filipino Cebu cuisine. Hello, ma'am. What do we have here?
Hi, my friend.
What are you buying? Can you recommend something good?
Baka.
This?
Yeah.
I get the same as you. I'll take some of the soup. Same. I'll take this one with rice as well, please. Thank you, man. So we have like a pork soup, pork curry, Mountain Dew, and some goats. First things first, let's try the broth of the soup. A bit of rice and a bit of broth. Try the curry. The way the meat falls off the bone. Nice. What are you selling? What is it? Mango?
Mango, grapes, orange.
How much is the grapes?
50 per kilo.
You only sell by the kilo.
A kilo.
100.
125.
I'll take half a kilo. Half a kilo of the grapes. I need some nutrition, bro. I don't want a full kilo, it's too much. It'll kill me off. So he imports the grapes from Australia, California. Hello, brother. Cool guy. What's up?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Yeah.
Have a good day, man.
Thank you,
We got the goods, we got the grapes. You want some grapes? Take some. Grape. Enjoy. Feed to him. Good nutrition for him.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, buddy?
You have money, buddy?
No, I have no money. You have money?
Money?
Can you give me 50 peso?
No, we don't have money. Yeah, I know what English. My friend is American.
Yeah, keep study hard and then you will have money one day, yeah? So I just stumbled across a local school here. Oh, serving ice cream. Oh, ice cream. What is the flavor?
Obi.
Hoppy. Thank you, brother. Damn. It looks good, man. What's up?
Vlog. Hello.
Hello. How are you, brother? Like ice cream. England.
Lami.
Lami.
Bisaya. Lami.
What is it called? Lami?
Ubi.
Ubi.
Delicious.
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 It's like blueberry.
Where are you from?
England, UK.
Yoking.
Yeah, British.
Yeah. Yo, guapo, guapo.
Guapo.
Handsome.
Handsome.
Guapo.
Thank you, bro. Yeah, man.
Long nose.
Yeah, nice nose. You handsome too.
Yeah, hello.
Say hello, bro. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
James.
James.
James
Elbow.
Spider Kaka.
Nice to meet you. See you, bro.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Now it's like school time finishing. Everybody's leaving school. The ice cream man make a lot of money right now. But I need to find the 06G.
Yeah.
And then I can go down to Lembangon.
Bangon. Yes.
Yeah, I don't like to use Move It. It's too easy.
Yes.
I like to take the public transport.
Yes.
But you tell me to be careful. They have thief
Yeah, they have plenty of thief and robbery there.
and robbery.
They have plenty of children like the.
They tried to take your.
Yeah, use drug, rugby. They
Yeah,
take your bags,
they tried to take my camera or
yeah,
something.
They have plenty there. Huh?
Okay, perfect. I will go. That's what I like. But I'm still waiting on the side of the road. We have A, we have B, we have C, but we don't have G. Where is G? There is two G's, two little G's. Fist bump. Four little G's. So I gave up on the jeepney, so I'm taking a Move It. And my friend, what's your name? Devod. He's buying me a sweet treat. Oh. I will eat this. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, cool guy. Egg, cheese, and bread. You got the egg, the cheese, and the bread. Interesting combination. Hello, brother. Yes. Oh, helmet, yeah, Andy. Look at this food. So now we're in another little neighborhood called Lembangon. Something like that. Cool little barangay.
Hello.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Cebu.
What's up? What's up? Hello. What's up? Most foreigners would feel uncomfortable walking down here. You get a lot of attention, a lot of people staring, a lot of people shouting. Every barangay once a year has a fiesta. Happy fiesta. The whole neighborhood just gets drunk and shares food. Look what the home is made out of. It's incredible. Hello. How are you? I like your home. Your house? Yeah, it's a beautiful house. You did a good job. Sometimes when you approach a group of people, some of them are like, hello, some of them are looking at you like they want to kill you, so when I get that vibe, I just walk away. Hey, don't touch me. Because I started the day off with a few beers, I'm starting to flag and hit the wall, so I had to have one more beer. Just one more beer to get me through the rest of the vlog, and then I'll go home and I'll sleep. Oh, it's like cemetery. All along this side of the wall, we have a bunch of cemeteries. Hello.
Huh?
Huh? Hello? High five.
Okay.
Hi, Koi.
And you're sure, baby?
I'm a baby? No, I'm not a baby, I'm a man. You're a baby.
No.
As we walk deeper into the barangay, you see the stray dogs, the chickens. I don't know. Where should I go? With you? Are you single?
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 Hi,
Hello.
hello. Welcome over.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
I'm fine, I'm good.
What is your name?
I'm Elena.
Elena.
Hi.
You're a very beautiful
nice to
lady.
Meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
You live here?
Yeah. My house is going there.
Your house is up there?
Yeah.
I'm looking for a house here. I want to live in this barangay.
Ah, okay. You like to live Labangon?
Yeah, I want to live in Lembangon.
Yeah.
I want to find a Lembangon wife and settle down here.
Wow.
And stay forever. Look at this. We got a dog on the back of the bike. Welcome to the Philippines. Hello. How are you?
Oh my god, so tall!
Hello.
He likes strolling anywhere.
Yes, I walk anywhere.
6, 7, fuck you!
Hey, no swearing. You get my channel in trouble.
What is your channel?
Andy Horgan.
Can I see? Oh, you want?
I want to hold the basketball.
You know how to play?
Yeah, I'm tall. I'm professional, but. Hello, vlogger. Yes, vlogger. Everybody think I'm famous vlogger.
Meet my sister-in-law.
Your sister-in-law.
Yeah.
Hello, sister-in-law. Pleasure.
This is our place. That's my
What is it?
our
The church?
chapel.
The chapel.
Yeah. Hey Andy, this is my house.
This your house?
Yes.
Route 66.
Yes.
Beware of the dog. Where is the dog? The chapel of Lembangon.
Virgin de los Remedios.
Virgin de los
Yeah,
Remedios.
that's my friends.
That's your friends.
Yeah.
You have so many friends.
Yeah, say hi, Emil.
Hello.
Father.
I'm father. I'm your father? Damn.
If you will be a famous, then you come back here.
Yes, yes. If I get famous, I will come back and I will buy everybody food. Jollibee for everybody. Hey, Jollibee for everybody. Yeah, free Jollibee.
Thank you for visiting.
No problem.
our place.
No problem. Sorry, bro.
What's spelling of your YouTube?
Thank you, Andy.
Yo, I think I got like 20 subscribers today just from local people that I met here in the barangay.
You have a lot of subscribers.
Yeah, a lot of support from the local people.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Man.
You look like Mr. Beast.
I look like Mr. Beast?
Yeah.
Damn. I hope I get the same views as Mr. Beast.
What's up,
Okay. What's up, bro?
He's a girl.
He's a girl.
Before you go, let's play basket.
What's up? Hey,
Oh, what's up, brother?
what's up, bro?
Where you going, brother?
I don't know. Just exploring. Hello. How are you? Hello. Hello. He's not gonna bite me. He has a mask on. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Can I leave this way or is dead end?
Dead end.
Okay. I'll go back that way. I just like to have a little look. Ah, it's cool, huh? We got the chickens. Bye-bye. See you. Bye.
Sante.
The dog gonna bite me. Whoa. What's up, bro? How are you? Everybody say I'm American. I hate them say American. No, fuck American, man. I'm not American. I'm from the UK. I think I've done a good job at showing you a different side to Cebu. Now I'm gonna head back to the condo, get some food and get some rest. 'Cause I'm burnt, man.